Sprinkle in minimalist style, add comfort, mix with luxury, and you get 176 Bleecker Street, New York. It's the perfect recipe for unparalleled student living. Choose a fully furnished, non-ensuite or 4-bedroom apartment and enjoy your own fully equipped kitchenette, complete with all the essentials and more. Fresh towels and a hairdryer are already provided in your bathroom, along with a rain shower designed to make every rinse truly relaxing. Don't let laundry pile up. Your in-unit washer and dryer are here for total convenience. Complimentary Wi-Fi for uninterrupted connectivity, monthly housekeeping for spotless spaces, air conditioning to keep things chill, and 24/7 CCTV for peace of mind. Here's the best part. Schools like New York University and Cooper Union are just minutes away on foot. Running late to class is a thing of the past. Explore the Big Apple effortlessly with buses from 6th Avenue and the nearby metro at West 4th Street. Go on, visit amberstudent.com for your spot at 176 Bleecker Street.